Most people think the Book of Judges is just an old record of battles, betrayals, and strange heroes with unusual names. But what if I told you it's actually a mirror, reflecting the very struggles we face in America today? A warning and a cure for the spiritual diseases of the heart. Many believers today say, I love God. I believe in the blood sacrifice of Jesus. And yet, they live as if His commandments don't matter. This is cultural Christianity, belief without obedience. But Judges shows us exactly where that path leads. Broken families, corrupt leaders, cycles of defeat, and no peace in the land. In Judges, Israel believed in God but refused to keep His commandments. They wanted the blessings of His covenant without the boundaries of His law. The result? A society collapsing into chaos, generation after generation. Sound familiar? The Book of Judges isn't just about them. It's about us. Judges reveals a heart problem, not just a leadership problem. When the commandments are neglected, the heart grows sick. And today we see the same symptoms everywhere. Greed that chokes our communities, lust that destroys marriages, pride that blinds our leaders, violence that erupts in our neighborhoods. These are not random events. They are diseases of the heart. But Judges also points us to the cure, return to the commandments, not in legalism, but in love. Obedience purifies the heart. It breaks the cycle of defeat. So, how do we begin? Start with the small things. Honesty, kindness, daily prayer. Guard your eyes and ears. What you watch and listen to plants seeds in your heart. Teach your children obedience through your example, not just your words. And build community accountability. Don't walk this journey alone. The Book of Judges reminds us, when God's people live without His commandments, they fall into slavery. Not chains of iron, but chains of the heart. But when we return to obedience, the chains break and freedom begins. The question is, will we repeat the cycle, or will we rise and be the generation that keeps the covenant? If this message stirred something in your heart, don't just click away. Reflect. Share this truth. Comment below and tell us what you're reclaiming today. And remember, support this work at ivriyamerican.com, where every shirt tells a story of faith, obedience, and freedom.